All right, let's switch gears a little bit now. We are in the depths of cold and flu season, and the over-the-counter cold medicine industry is worth $8 billion annually. But how effective is it? What new research is out there?
Well, there's a new study that came out that said that oral phenylephrine, so this is the pill, not the nasal form, is actually not as effective in the 10 to 40 milligram range, which is what is usually recommended. So the problem here is that in the past, a lot of these medications used to use pseudoephedrine, a different chemical. It's what's found in Sudafed, for example. And then people realized, well, that could be converted to methamphetamines or other things. So they kind of tried to remove that from the market, and instead they've been using phenylephrine now in a lot of the over-the-counter decongestions. The problem is, if it doesn't work as well, what's the point of people spending so much money on those medications and then still having the symptoms?
So will these drugs stay on the market, continue to stay on the market?
I don't know. I mean, it depends if the FDA wants to look into this or other agencies. I mean, I think the thing about the research is just because it's new research doesn't mean it's better than the old research, right? So in the past, people thought phenylephrine was effective. So what they have to do is take out all the studies and really compare what was done in the past compared to what was done now. And also, even in the newer study, I mean, they used phenylephrine, but we have to see, were all the tablets from the same company or the same batch? Because maybe there's something wrong with that particular lot of medications, not necessarily the whole drug class.
Well, what do you advise your patients to do when they're sick and they're runny noses and they've got a headache and they're congested and they go in?
Sure.
Do you go behind the counter, or can you just go down the regular aisle and get something?
Well, you could do either. It depends on the person. I mean, unfortunately, with viruses, no matter what you do, sometimes they just take their toll. You have to wait them out. One thing I do tell patients is that, you know, a lot of times the cold virus can trigger an allergic reaction afterwards or allergies. So if they can do something that's an antihistamine maybe towards the end of that cold, just to see if that helps wrap it up, that would be good. I mean, they can go behind the counter, but the thing is, each of these medications have side effects. If you go behind the counter, sometimes it can have more side effects in the heart, so they have to watch out for that too.
A lot of things to consider. All right. Dr. Devi, thank you so much.
Oh, nice seeing you both.